So you can actually use your computer or smart TV and signing into your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And after you signing in, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV by tapping on your profile picture at the top right of your screen. And then you want to click on settings. On the settings, at the membership, at the base plan, if you have this manage option instead add option, then it means your subscription to YouTube TV with the base plan is still ongoing. So you can just go back to the home page by clicking on YouTube icon. At the home page, you want to click on the search icon at the top right of your screen, and then you want to search for ABC. On the ABC with the network sign, you want to click on it. And then you can just watch any live session of the ABC, the series, drama, news, and so on. Or if you want to watch the live session of the NBC or any upcoming live session, and you want to record it to watch it later, you can just hover over any upcoming live session, and then click on the three dots, and then click on Add with the show name. This way, you don't need to stand by all day to watch the live session because YouTube TV already recorded it for you, even when you don't watch it on live. So, to check on every show that you just add or recorded, you can just click right here on the library at the top of your screen beside the home page. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch ABC on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.